It's cherry season and we're here at Nunn Farms in Brentwood, California to harvest our own cherries. So let's go!
Yeah, I don't wanna slow down, I don't wanna slow down, I don't wanna slow down till I burn out. I just wanna live fast, I don't wanna look back and say I could've done more than I did now. Sometimes it can be hard, yeah, it can be hard, yeah, it can be hard when you grow up. People fill you with doubt, you start thinking about what you're gonna do now. But we only got one chance and got one life to live. And it's do or die, gotta make it count. So lose your worries, let your problems go on until my whole body burns out. I ain't never gonna slow down. I ain't never gonna slow down.
Nunn Farms is about 60 miles east of San Francisco, and this farm or orchard is open between 9 and 7 p.m. but you must get here early because the parking lot fills up quickly. I don't actually remember when I last went cherry picking. I don't know if it's been so long or if I ever went at all. So on this farm, it looks like there's two types of cherries. There's these small cherries. We're not sure if these are called Bing cherries as opposed to the big red cherries. These are so cute. I don't ever remember seeing these in the grocery store, like Safeway. California has a short cherry season. It's really from mid-May, around Memorial weekend, to mid-June. How many counts is that? What do you think?
Okay, $39.55.
I know. It's going to get longer.
Okay, thank you. Have a great day.
Cash or card today? Perfect.
And that ends our day here at Nunn Farms. It took us about 2.5 hours, and we didn't actually explore all the trees, if that's what they're called, because the actual farm is huge and not all the trees have cherries on them yet, so it's not like you can walk through the whole grounds. Plus, it gets really hot here at Brentwood.
It's good to
You guys
have.
better come early when you go cherry picking at any farm because you might miss a parking spot. Alright, so it's lunchtime and we are at the Livermore area.
It was funny because I realized really early on because I was like,
It actually took us about 2 hours or under 2 hours for our cherry picking. I thought it was 2.5 hours, but it didn't even take that long. Just a couple of things about our indoor dining. This is actually a lot more people than I thought that was allowed to eat indoors. Even though I'm vaccinated, I'm still a lot cautious. It's funny, I don't know when I will be fully comfortable with no mask and no social distancing, or a decrease in social distancing. But in any case, right now I'm going to enjoy my lunch. And for our last stop, dessert, of course. And so I think this is a good time and place to end this vlog. So from my mind's eye to yours, definitely more to come. Thanks for watching. By the way, if you guys were wondering, what am I gonna do with 2.9 pounds of cherries? Well, I am gonna include them in my bakes. And if you haven't seen my bakes, check out my Instagram page at Assetimages. I'm actually stealing a little bit more of cherries from Darwin's bunch. So I'm going to be a whole 3 pounds instead of just 2.9 pounds. See you on the next vlog.